On-screen text, how to turn off read receipts on Telegram in 60 seconds. Narration, want to stop people from seeing when you've read their Telegram messages? Here's the fastest way to change your read receipt settings. On-screen text label, Step 1, open Telegram. Narration, Step 1, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and make sure you're logged in. On-screen text label, important note. Narration, important. Telegram doesn't offer a simple, global, turn-off read receipts switch like some other apps. On-screen text, but you can limit who sees when you read. Narration, but you can limit who sees your activity by adjusting your last seen and online privacy, which also affects read receipts in many chats. On-screen text label, will show. Bullets on screen. Phones, iOS and Android. Desktop app. Narration, in this video we'll walk through the exact path on mobile and desktop so you can quickly tighten your privacy. On-screen text, let's start with mobile. Narration, let's start on mobile, then we'll mirror the same steps on Telegram desktop. On-screen text label, Step 2, open settings. Narration, on mobile, tap the 3 lines menu on Android or the settings tab on iOS to open Telegram settings. On-screen text label, Step 3, go to privacy and security. Narration, in settings, tap privacy and security. This is where your read-related options live. On-screen text label, Step 4, last seen and online. Narration, next choose last seen and online. Your choice here controls who can reliably know when you've seen messages. On-screen text label, Step 5, choose your visibility. On-screen example text, everybody, my contacts, nobody. Narration, select my contacts or nobody to hide your status from strangers or from everyone. This greatly reduces when others see read receipts. On-screen text label, Step 6, save and repeat on desktop. Narration, tap done or back to save. On Telegram desktop, open settings, go to privacy and security, then last seen and online, and choose the same option there. On-screen text, line 1, you've reduced read receipts. Line 2, need more Telegram privacy tips? Subscribe. Narration, you've now limited who can tell you've seen their messages. For more quick Telegram privacy tips, like this video and subscribe.